What if someone could sail to exotic destinations for virtually nothing while others pay thousands? The secret lies hidden in plain sight within credit card rewards programs, where savvy travelers unlock cruise adventures using points most people never realize exist. This isn't about standard redemptions. These are the underground strategies that cruise lines don't advertise and credit card companies rarely explain. Major cruise lines partner with transferable point programs like Chase Ultimate Rewards and American Express membership rewards, often offering promotional bonuses during specific booking windows. Norwegian Cruise Line, Royal Caribbean, and Celebrity frequently run limited-time promotions where points transfer at enhanced ratios. Timing these transfers during bonus periods can effectively double the purchasing power. Senior travelers benefit enormously from these strategies, since cruise vacations align perfectly with their preferences for all-inclusive, hassle-free travel experiences. Fixed cruise schedules allow for advanced planning that works well with retirement flexibility. The enhanced value from transfer bonuses can mean the difference between affording premium suites versus interior cabins. But what happens when the transfer partners aren't offering the best deals? Where should smart travelers look next? Credit card shopping portals often feature cruise bookings with bonus point multipliers that stack on top of regular card earnings. Chase Ultimate Rewards, Amex offers, and bank-specific portals regularly offer 2 to 5 times additional points for cruise purchases. The key lies in checking multiple portals before booking and timing purchases with quarterly bonus categories. Senior travelers typically have more time to research and plan purchases, making them ideal candidates for maximizing portal bonuses. Their established spending patterns on cruises often involve higher cabin categories and shore excursions, amplifying the point earnings potential. The combination of patient research and higher spending creates exponential rewards accumulation. Yet even with portal bonuses, could there be an entirely different approach that makes points irrelevant altogether? Are you a proud son or daughter of amazing parents looking for a truly special gift? Or perhaps you're a senior ready to make your next vacation a meaningful one. We have something exclusively for you. For more information, please scan the QR code on your screen right now. Some premium travel cards offer annual cruise statement credits that can be combined with points redemptions for maximum value extraction. Cards like the Chase Sapphire Reserve or Amex Platinum provide travel credits that work for cruise deposits or onboard spending. The strategy involves using points for the base fare while applying statement credits to ancillary costs. Senior cruisers often purchase beverage packages, specialty dining, and shore excursions that qualify for statement credit reimbursement. Their tendency toward longer cruises and premium amenities creates more opportunities to utilize these credits effectively. The combination approach reduces out-of-pocket expenses while preserving points for future travel. But what if the most valuable strategy doesn't involve using points for cruises at all? Sometimes the smartest move involves booking cruises with cash while using points for flights to embarkation ports or luxury hotels pre- and post-cruise. International cruise departures often require expensive flights that points can eliminate entirely. This strategy preserves cruise loyalty status while maximizing overall trip value. Senior travelers frequently prefer arriving a day early to avoid missing embarkation due to flight delays, making hotel redemptions particularly valuable. Their comfort with longer trips allows for extended stays that maximize point utilization. The reduced stress of confirmed accommodations appeals to travelers who prioritize peace of mind over maximum point extraction. With all these strategies available, which combination will create the most memorable cruise experience while spending the least money? Wave season promotions from January through March often coincide with credit card bonus categories and enhanced transfer promotions. Last-minute cruise deals can be combined with flexible point redemptions for extraordinary value. Repositioning cruises during shoulder seasons provides premium experiences at fraction costs when booked strategically. Retirement flexibility allows senior travelers to take advantage of off-peak pricing and last-minute deals that working travelers cannot access. Their ability to book during wave season ensures access to the best cabin selections and promotional pricing. The combination of time flexibility and strategic point usage creates unparalleled value opportunities. Now that these strategies are clear, which one will transform the next cruise from an expensive dream to an affordable reality? Cruise line co-branded credit cards offer onboard credits, priority boarding, and cabin upgrades that create value beyond point earnings. Norwegian, Royal Caribbean, and Celebrity cards provide automatic perks that can be worth hundreds per cruise when stacked with general travel rewards cards. The strategy involves using co-brand cards for cruise purchases while earning additional points on a separate premium travel card for non-bonus spending. Senior travelers often cruise multiple times per year, making annual fees on co-brand cards easily justifiable through accumulated perks. Their preference for premium cabin categories means upgrade certificates and onboard credits deliver exponentially higher value. The predictable cruise schedule allows for strategic card applications timed to maximize welcome bonuses before major cruise bookings. But what if there was a way to earn cruise rewards without even stepping foot on a ship first? Gift card purchases at office stores, grocery stores, and gas stations during quarterly bonus categories can generate massive point accumulations when converted to cruise bookings. Visa and MasterCard gift cards purchased with 5 times category bonuses effectively create 5 times points on cruise purchases when used strategically. Business credit cards with higher category limits amplify this strategy for serious cruise enthusiasts. Senior travelers with established financial stability can safely manage the float time between gift card purchases and cruise bookings. Their methodical approach to travel planning aligns perfectly with the advanced preparation required for manufactured spending strategies. The ability to purchase gift cards throughout bonus quarters allows for accumulating substantial point balances before major cruise expenditures. With these advanced techniques mastered, how can SPAR travelers combine multiple strategies for the ultimate cruise experience? Ready to unlock these cruise point secrets? Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to never miss money-saving travel strategies. Give this video a thumbs up if these tips open new possibilities for cruise adventures. Check the description below for detailed links to the best credit cards for cruise rewards, transfer partner calendars, and the complete strategy guide. The next cruise adventure awaits. Make it happen for less.